Hi, it's Carla with Carla Dreyer Design, and today I want to talk about wallpaper. And more specifically, I want to show you on a home that I recently decorated 3 different areas that I use wallpaper and where you can use it and how best to use it. So the first one is in the master bedroom. Now, this is a bit of a change for me because usually I'm very into the calm and neutrals, but in this bedroom, we went a little wild, we went a little crazy, and I do love the way it turned out. So we used a wallpaper behind the wall in the master bedroom, which again, I think is a great tip. You don't need to do wallpaper around the whole area, but just behind the bed is a great place because sometimes you kind of put the bed there and it does look empty, so wallpaper really helps. Now you could do something tonal and you could do something neutral. For these homeowners, no. We went with something that is so cool. It actually is wallpaper, but it looks like a mural, like a painted mural, and it's done in this blue color and really set the tone for the rest of the bedroom. The second place we use wallpaper, and I'm obsessed with this wallpaper, is in the playroom. I think kids' rooms are such a great opportunity for wallpaper. The only thing I will say, make sure you know that the kids grow up, so their taste may change in the wallpaper, but I think something like this one that we chose, which is in this sort of forest scene, it's pink, there's 2 girls that use this room, I just think is so cool and adds so much whimsy and just is such a jumping off point for all the other areas to decorate. Again, you can just do one wall. So I know wallpaper can sometimes be pricey and it can be a pain in the butt sometimes to install. So again, just think of doing one wall. Third place that we did wallpaper, we actually did in 4, but just to show you 3, is we did it in both the daughters' rooms as well. Again, behind the bed. I highly recommend doing this in kids' rooms. I think it looks so great. Doing something like this one, which is the rainbow. Again, who doesn't love rainbows? I mean, you won't grow out of that. And you can pull the colors from it. So all the different colors in the wallpaper, and it creates that focal point. You know, again, you're walking into a room, you see the bed, and if you see the wallpaper behind, it really adds that character to it. So I hope this has inspired you about wallpaper. I've put some of the links below of some of my favorite places to get wallpaper. And before starting any design or decorating project, it's super important to know your personal style. And I've created a free quiz and you can link to it below. We'll see you next time.